My name is Xavier, and welcome to my journey to Turin, Italy, where I worked at the University of Turin parasitology department, mainly focused on tick research through fecal floats, raw analysis, as well as necropsies on wild boar and roe deer, where we investigated how they transmit diseases such as rickettsia to these wildlife populations, and then how their movement and population density then impacts humans as well as wild and domestic felines and canines in the home. In addition to learning new veterinary lab techniques I had never worked with before at the lab, I also got to go out into the field with them to a national park nearby Turin, where we set up camera traps as well as sampled ticks in the area with a linen cloth, which we brought back to the lab. And I got to see how they use the camera traps with advanced computer coding and technology to be able to track positioning based on the pictures and track the movement of the animals. During that trip, I was also able to see the problem with overpopulation with all the stray cats around and see how they can walk around the same areas where those ticks are biting wild boar and roe deer and then transferring those diseases to these cats. During my time not at the lab at the university, I was able to explore a bit more of Italy, going to Rome, Milan, Florence, and I was able to absorb some of the rich history that they have there with their cultural heritage, with beautiful architecture, for artwork, a fervent atmosphere of the soccer fans at AC Milan, for example, as well as the Sistine Chapel, seeing the Trevi Fountain, and just absorbing all of the beautiful artwork that they have there, the great food, and the overall atmosphere. While there, I got to see how a cat sanctuary within Rome works to solve the problem of overpopulation and disease control by helping blind and disabled cats with spay-neuter programs. Well, I feel that I could have prepared better, learning more of the Italian language, and I could have also had more of the great field experiences if I had stayed a little bit longer. Traveling to Italy as well as traveling all around Europe afterwards is one of the best experiences of my life, and I feel like I've gained a great cultural awareness after my experiences there that I'll carry with me for the rest of my life as well as the rest of my career. I'd like to thank everybody at the Global Programs Office and all the donors, as well as my amazing mentors for all the help.